Okay, this is Chapter 9, Lesson 3 over the endocrine system. It starts on pages 308 and 309. Functions of the endocrine system. Like the nervous system, your body sends messages using another system called the endocrine system. The endocrine system consists of groups of organs and tissues that release chemical messages into the bloodstream. Endocrine tissues that secrete chemical molecules are called endocrine glands. The thyroid gland on the previous page is one of the glands in the endocrine system. The chemical messages sent by the endocrine system are called hormones. A hormone is a chemical that is produced by an endocrine gland in one part of an organism and is carried in the bloodstream to another part of the organism. The messages sent by the endocrine system are transmitted less rapidly than messages sent by the nervous system. The chemical messages usually are sent to more cells and last longer than the messages sent by the nervous system. For example, a message from the nervous system might cause a body movement. A message from the endocrine system might cause your body to grow taller over a period of time. Endocrine glands and their hormones. Hormones move endocrine glands to other parts of the body in the bloodstream. Hormones affect the functions of the organs and tissues by carrying messages to specific cells called target cells. Hormones recognize their target cells because the target cells have certain receptor proteins on or inside them. The hormone recognizes the receptor protein and attaches to them. A hormone is like a key that wanders around and locks until it finds one that it fits and unlocks it. Once a hormone finds its target cells, it binds to a receptor protein and delivers its chemical message. The target cell responds by taking a specific action. Figure 11 illustrates the path that a hormone takes from its production in an endocrine gland until it finds and delivers its message to a target cell. There are many different hormones with various purposes that are produced and distributed throughout the body. The endocrine glands and the hormones they produce are shown in Figure 11. So here is the path of a hormone on Figure 11. Hormones move through the bloodstream until they encounter the specific cells they are targeted to affect. So the first thing that happens is the endocrine gland cells release hormone molecules into the bloodstream. Then hormone molecules travel throughout the body in the bloodstream to reach target cells. These are the hormones. These are your blood cells. Hormone molecules attach to receptor proteins on target cells. The hormone molecule fits into a protein receptor like a key fits into a lock. So see, these do not have the right keys or locks, so the protein doesn't, or the hormone doesn't go to them. But this one is right, so it goes to them. Figure 12. This is the endocrine system is made up of different glands that secrete hormones that maintains homeostasis in the body. All right, the pituitary gland secretes many different hormones. Hormones secreted by the pituitary gland regulate different body functions and control other endocrine glands. In addition, the pituitary gland secretes growth hormone, which causes the body to grow. It's this way in the middle of your brain. The thyroid gland controls how the body uses energy. It causes your metabolism to speed up or slow down when necessary. The hypothalamus receives information from the nervous system and controls the activity of the pituitary gland. The 4 parathyroid glands regulate the amount of calcium released into the blood. This activity helps maintain your bones, muscles, and nerve cells. The thymus gland signals the immune system to produce cells to fight infections. The pancreas secretes insulin and glucagon. They regulate the levels of sugar in the blood. 2 ovaries in females release estrogen and produce eggs for reproduction. The adrenal glands release hormones that enable the body to respond to stress and react quickly. That's where you get adrenaline. The testes in males release testosterone and produce sperm for cell reproduction. The endocrine system and homeostasis. You might recall from lesson 1 that your nervous system responds to changes in your environment and maintains homeostasis. Glands also help maintain homeostasis by releasing hormones in response to stimuli. Hormones change the function of other tissues and organs in the body that regulate internal conditions. Negative feedback systems. Organisms can maintain homeostasis using negative feedback systems. Negative feedback is a control system where the effect of a hormone inhibits further release of the hormone. In other words, it stops it. The endocrine system uses negative feedback and controls the amount of hormones that a gland releases. This is similar to a way a thermostat in a house monitors temperature. The thermostat signals the furnace to turn on when the temperature in the house drops below a preset temperature. After the house warms to a preset temperature, the thermostat signals the furnace to shut off. Positive feedback systems. Whereas negative feedback systems help maintain homeostasis, positive feedback does not. Positive feedback is a control system in which the effect of the hormone causes more of the hormone to be released. Because positive feedback does not help maintain homeostasis, your body uses fewer positive feedback systems. Childbirth is one example of a positive feedback system. Labor begins when a hormone called oxytocin is released. Oxytocin causes contractions. The contractions cause more oxytocin to be released. Figure 13 shows how both negative and feedback systems and positive feedback systems work within the endocrine system. Negative feedback system. So, body is in homeostasis. So it signals to stop releasing the hormone. The body uses the hormone, but more hormone is needed, so it signals to release more hormone, and then it becomes back into homeostasis. Positive feedback. Hormone causes body to react and need more hormone, so it's the signal to release more hormones is green. The hormone causes the body to react and need more hormone, and it signals it to release more. So it's a continuous cycle. This is positive. Notice how this is red light, green light. This is green, green. All right, that is the chapter 9, lesson 3 summary right here. The endocrine system is made up of glands that secrete chemical hormones. They send messages throughout the body and maintain homeostasis. Negative feedback systems maintain homeostasis by inhibiting the release of a hormone as part of the effect of that hormone. Positive feedback systems increase the effects caused by a hormone by signaling more of that hormone to be released.